time to find a home for this painter's paper on the tool wall behind me. So in this video, we're going to build a tool holder to put this on the wall. Welcome to the shop. I'm Michael, and this is Maker at Play. So here's the plan. I'm going to take an old broomstick handle that I have laying around. I'm going to use that to hold the roll. The idea being that it will actually go down the center, and the roll can actually spin on that. Then we'll take 2 pieces of plywood to create as holders on the side, a base piece of plywood along the bottom with the cleat on it so that it'll hang on the wall vertically. And then I can pull it off when I need to, set it down on the tool holder, and the tool holder then also doubles as a dispenser, almost like a paper towel dispenser, so that I can just pull the paper off as I need it and it'll spin on there. At least that's the plan. Stick around, let's see if it actually works. And see if I keep all my fingers this time. This time. I've never lost a finger. I have smashed a finger or two. I smashed a finger yesterday on the sanding. On the belt sander, which was not fun. Okay, to the build. So here's the idea of the end pieces to hold the dowel that goes to the middle of the paper and to attach the dowel to the piece of board that actually makes up the French cleat itself. So it looks to me like probably about 5 inches wide would work well. We'll go ahead and make it 5 inches tall. So this will be 5 by 5. Now for where the dowel goes in, I'm going to center it this direction, but I want to make it at least, I want to center it on 3 inches high to give us plenty of clearance underneath for the paper to be able to roll. So from center to there would be 3 inches, and center from here to here will be 2.5 inches. And then for the diameter of the hole that the dowel slides through, looks to me like we would go with about 0.9 inches. That way I want the dowel to be able to slide in and out, so if I replace the roll, I can easily pull the dowel out, put a new roll in, slide the dowel back in. So I think I want to cut these pieces on the CNC, because I want to need to create 3 of them, 1 for each side, and then I'm going to do an extra one on the bottom to make it thicker, since that will hold majority of the weight while it's hanging on the wall. And since I need to do 3 of these, and just because it's fun to do, we'll go in, draw these up on Fusion 360, and cut them out on CNC. Okay, here's what we got so far. So after cutting the end pieces on the CNC, cutting the back plate, it's looking pretty good. We have it so that the broom handle makes it through that circle. One thing was, when I drew this circle as 0.9 on, I don't know if you should cut it out, it actually ended up being too small. So I had to take and widen it with a Forster bit on my drill press, but that worked out well. So I think this is going to work. Now we just got to do some sanding, attach it, and we're good to go. One thing I still want to figure out is if I want to pin the dowel in here in some form or fashion so that it doesn't slide out. But I want to get it all assembled first before I do that and see how easily does this actually come in and out and see if that's actually necessary or not. So on to sanding. Well, here we go. I think that turned out pretty well. So it folds it up nicely. Got the stick comes out so I can replace the roll when I run out. And it's nice that it can sit flat and spin and serve up right off of the tool holder. So now the only thing left is put some paint on it, and this project's complete. And that completes another episode of Maker Play. I hope you enjoyed it, learned something from it, hopefully find something useful you can do within your workshop from this video. If you're so inclined, hit that subscribe button. If you liked it, hit the like button. Share it with your friends. Make other people aware of my channel. I'd really appreciate that. Till next time, see you in the next video. This video, we're going to build